Hello everyone! Welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are going to make baked mochi donut, inspired by the famous Ring from the Mr. Donut in Japan. It's sweet and chewy, really tasty. Today I'm going to pair with 3 different dipping sauce: strawberry, matcha, and chocolate, to pair with the mochi donut. Let's get baking. Here is everything we need. There is 4 parts of our ingredients. 1 is baked mochi donuts, and followed by 3 different flavor glaze. For the baked mochi donut, we need 60 gram sugar, 200 gram milk, 50 gram Veggie oil, 40 gram plain flour, 180 gram tapioca starch, 2 eggs. And second, for the strawberry glaze, we need 100 white chocolate, 50 gram fresh strawberries. Third, the matcha glaze, we need 100 gram white chocolate, 2 gram of matcha powder, 40 gram heavy cream. And last part is the chocolate glaze. We need half cup of Semisweet chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. First, preheat your oven to 340 Fahrenheit. Use a medium saucepan. Add milk, sugar, and oil. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Mix it. Keep stirring until the sugar melted. Add 20 grams of flour and mix well. Mix until the flour is dissolved and turn off the heat. Add tapioca starch. Mix until it completely combines into a smooth ball. Okay, keep combining together. In the end, will look like this smooth ball. Beaten 2 eggs. Add the beaten egg into the saucepan. Mix well with the egg and the smooth ball. Transfer the batter into a piping bag with a round nozzle.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, use a baking plate with the baking sheet, and I'm going to make the shape of mochi donut. Okay, straight up, squeeze down a ball here. Try to make it equal size. Great, and now use your finger, dip in cold water, and smooth the tip of the donut to make it smooth.
It sound right, boys.
Okay, and put the donut inside the oven. Second layer. Okay, bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the donut, I'm going to make strawberry glaze. We need to microwave the white chocolate for about 1 minute to melt it. After the white chocolate melted, it will look like this, and I'm going to blend it. Put the strawberry inside the blender and the melted white chocolate inside the blender. So use the high speed to blend it. After blending, it will look like this. Pour into a round bowl. Second, I'm going to make matcha glaze. Put the white chocolate and heavy cream together and use microwave to melt it. Okay, and then add the matcha powder into our melted white chocolate. Mix well. Alright, and then the final result will look like this. The last one is chocolate glaze. Melt the semi-chocolate chips with butter. After the chocolate melted, add in the corn syrup. Mix well. The donut is ready. Take out from the oven. First, I'm going to do the strawberry glaze. Use the wrong side down. Okay, you put like this. Shake, shake, shake. Matcha flavor. Chocolate glaze. For the final touch, melted some white chocolate and put it in the zip bag and cut a small hole. Going to make some line on the donut. Alright, so this is today's baked version of mochi donut. You don't need to go to Japan for this amazing mochi donut. You can make it at home. And is that easy to make? I think so. Make sure to try this recipe at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.